Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel and I hope you're all keeping well. Now this morning in this video I'm going to talk to you about saving you a lot of dollars. Now when we go bike packing we all kind of need these. Now these are dry sacks just to keep all our gear and our electronics dry. Now the problem with them is they are expensive and sometimes not that robust. Now this is a Cedar Summit. Yeah, I've had it a few years. I think this one actually does have a hole in it. However, it cost me $60+. So if you're going to do that a few times, you're up in the hundreds of dollars. Now I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make your own dry sacks stroke stuff sacks. Now I needed a stuff sack for my battery, or a waterproof pack for my battery. Now the battery's waterproof obviously, but I needed to give it a bit more protection. Now the Reflectix I got from a petrol station. They were unloading one of these ready-made meals, and so I scrounged that off the guy at the petrol station. It was in the box, so that was free. And the actual stuff sack is made out of a blue tarp that you can get from a cheap shop. I think the whole tarp that I got was about maybe 1.5 by 1.5 meters, so quite a big area for $2. Now you can make these out of any material you want. Obviously if you want to get a bit of flasher, you can go up and buy some more expensive material. However, I'm going to show you the process that I use just on this blue tarp. It's very quick, very easy. You don't need any special equipment. So here we go. Now I'm all set up, ready to go. Now I'll just spin you around, show you what we need. Now, so what we need is a pair of scissors over here. I've got some kind of duct tape, stroke masking tapes. Also have some blue cloth tape. Although that's optional. Some paracord stroke type cord, a cardboard box, the tarp that I'm going to use for the material, and most importantly a cup of coffee. I want a stuff sack for my bike charger, so I'm actually going to put it in a Reflectix cover as well, just to give it a bit of extra protection. The Reflectix is kind of like bubble wrap. Now because I'm making this bag specifically for something, i.e. the charger, I'm going to make the bag obviously to fit it. So what I'm going to do is I've laid the charger out on the tarp, and then the first edge is I'm actually going to wrap it and put it on the far edge of the charger, and then all you do is you just spin it around again and turn it over on the side. Now what that's going to do is going to give an extra piece of space just to get the charger in. You don't want to be moving around, or whatever piece of equipment it is, you want to be able to get it in quite easily. We've left plenty of room at the end here, and then what we're going to do is probably cut it to about that size as well, off the edge. Now to get the sizing, all I'm going to do is take my scissors and just make a quick cut. Just to mark it, and then do the same at the other end. Okay, so that's going to give us the width. Sorry, that's going to give us the length, and then now for the width, we will just make a quick snip here. Now, this is all very scientific. So to cut, all I'm going to do is just fold the piece of tarp over onto my little cut line. Make sure that edge is straight. And then just use my scissors down there and cut that strip off. Now, here is the size already cut out. Now what we need to decide is which end's going to be the top and which end's going to be the bottom. And we want to work from the inside out. So any tape that we put on here or any of the hems that we do, so we're going to have the bag, we're going to actually make it inside out, and that'll become clearer towards the end. So as you can see here, I've hemmed the top. What I've done is I've cut little strips of tape off just to keep the hem down, and then put one long strip across it just to hold it down flat. Now the next step is to cut some. I've cut some paracord off, some cardboard. And that is for this piece here at the top. So the cardboard's the stiffener, and obviously the rope takes the place of these clamps. So I'll just get that done, show you. Okay, so what we do is we fold the bag in half, and then we just make a cut, just a small cut down the edge of it. And then what we do is we will open it back up again, and you place the cord in one cut, and then all we're going to do is just tape along this line here, and then this is going to be the equivalent of our stiffener. Next job, hem the bottom. So basically what we're going to do is just going to tuck the bottom over and just tape it down. So the next step is to join the seams, the edges, and like I said, remember inside out. And so what you do is you fold the bag in half. Obviously the tape's on the outside at the moment, and we're going to join it. Now what we're going to do is join it here using a folding, basically what we're going to do is fold these seams together so that they form a waterproof joint. So like so. Now what we're going to do is put a piece of tape down this edge here, and then we're going to do exactly the same on the bottom seam. Okay, so there we go, both seams done, and the rope's in. Now sip of coffee. Now what we're going to do with this is turn it the right way out. And there you have it. Now that's the right way out. Now you'll notice here that these seams are a bit open. Now what I'm going to do is use my blue tape so it's color coordinated, and then just run the tape around them, just double it up just to make sure it's doubly waterproof, and take it from there. And there we go, pretty much finished. Now I had one of these spare toggles, and I'm just going to put that over the ends of the rope just to keep them together. And there we have it, the finished dry bag with the toggle, the the charger is in it, all ready to go, all done for under a few dollars. Now like I say, you can make these as flash or as quick as you want. This one's probably taken me about 20 minutes to make. If you have a sewing machine, which I do, but I just wanted something that was quick and easy, this is the perfect solution. Now there's very little cutting, very little tools required, and it is so easy and cheap. Now I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please like and subscribe. It helps us greatly to get subscribers, and if you hit that notification bell, and we will see you in the next video.